Homo sapiens. Today I'm going to be talking about germination. What is germination? Well, germination is the growth of a plant from a seed to a big plant. So first, let's take a look at the anatomy of a seed. First, starting with the plumule. It's that green little bit up there. It will become the first shoot, basically the stalk of the plant. And then the radicle. It will become the first root, which is the big green thing down there, under the plumule. And then the massive yellow thing is called the cotyledon. It is the food storage until the plant grows up and is able to do photosynthesis by itself. And finally, on the outside, you can see the seed coat. It is a protective layer to protect the seed from the environments and to make sure that it grows. As germination progresses, you can see the roots, which is from the radicle down there, and then you can also see up there the shoot and the leaves. That is from the plumule. And then as it progresses even more, you can see the cotyledon opening up like a leaf. That acts as a mini leaf to do photosynthesis until the first true leaves grow and mature to do photosynthesis on their own. So, what do seeds need to germinate? Do they need sunlight, oxygen, water, carbon dioxide, or do they also need soil? Let's take a look at these one by one. First of all, sunlight. Seeds usually grow underground and there's no sunlight. Also, a seed can't do photosynthesis because there are no leaves. So, seeds don't need sunlight to germinate. And then there is oxygen. When seeds are making their own food from the cotyledon, they need oxygen to do the reaction. So yes, oxygen is needed for seed germination. And then water. Water is definitely required because the reactions that make the seed grow require a solvent. And then carbon dioxide. If the seed doesn't do photosynthesis, it won't need carbon dioxide. So no, carbon dioxide is not required. And then finally, soil. Is it required? Let's see. If you stab a seed, an avocado seed, and hold it above water with multiple toothpicks, you can see that it slowly starts germinating and producing roots. So no, soil is not required to do germination. And so, in summary, germination is the process in which a seed develops into a plant. And the things required for germination to happen are water, oxygen, and the right temperature. If it's too hot, the proteins will start to discombobulate and die. If it's too cold, germination won't happen because the proteins cannot move very much. And so it needs the right temperature, which is usually a little bit above room temperature, maybe 30 to 35 degrees Celsius.